Alright, it's 2:50 a.m.
We're about to get in trouble. We're about to go to Asulkan Ridge. No breakfast has been had, no coffee has been had. We're just fresh off the start. We'll see what comes out. Yeah, baby! Here we are in paradise. Just enjoying this gorgeous view of pre-winter. About to send it.
Cliff, you better sponsor me after this.
7 clear bars of Roger Spurs. No problem, we're running.